soup, telling us what to do. Guys, I'm putting the egusi inside red oil. The oil has to be warm. Then you do as if you want to
This is
fry.
our egusi melon. Mix it with warm water. Want to make egusi? This is my egusi, guys. I mix it with warm water.
If you need egusi soup for your party, you just invite me. I go cook am for you. Yeah, this one like this, na better egusi from Cameroon, from Nigeria. You see, I don't add egusi because I want make the pot maybe healthy pot of egusi soup. My people are just dey smile because I dey cook am better one. No be everybody go cook am done na. Na know say if una no cook egusi fine, egusi no done you go fit push person. If egusi no done, you go dey taste am. You wey know how to cook am, you go taste am, you go know say e no done. They say when you're cooking, always be smiling in your kitchen. Be happy. No dey tie face. Na some person say you make cook egusi soup. Where you go dey tie face? My people, I dey for that also ma put oil. Na oil type. I don't put fire. I just dey put fire, dey put am. The fire to say no one cash. The my new gas. Ebe. I say my just clean all that oil wey remaining. I clean it. You know when you chop for pan. You clean the pan. I dey clean all that oil because oil expensive. No small no remain for day. You go near all the thing there. Go near. Okay, near kuma. Hey. Keep it the party. I beg, make am quick, make man cook this soup. Wetin this self? Even na the mop. Na so I dey do am. Yeah. E don correct. E never correct. Quinta. You self na wow. You go finish cook that. I want cook that bottle self. I even forgot one boil the bottle. With the soup. Just join them together so that make that remaining oil make it remain inside the soup. No be for that later. My people, Cameroon oil na it is sweet too. Even Guinea get fine oil. So that the almighty one with this. This my 1 liter wey remain like this. Now I say my jolly the oil, Cameroon oil. Look for kukoki. It is fine. Look at. Make the oil hot. When it hot, you go know wetin dey talk say oil. E go enter body for the. E go dey like say you never put oil for that egusi. Egusi go drink am all. As you dey fry am, na so oil egusi dey drink am. I say ma make the oil again. You this Quinta too na wow. You know one left no small inside there. It's not good now. Quinta. Quinta baby. I say me you must come out. It remain na ma cook the later. Cook am. Wetin I dey find safe? Wetin I be dey find? Na so the pot dey wait. Say come put me. As e dey done. Now they turn am now. They say turn am. Turn am. Turn am. Give it a turn. A mix. Give it a turning and a mixing. Guys, I take the whisk, my whisk. I whisk the egusi because now I know say they don't already grind the egusi before they send am for me for Africa. So now when as it done, so one then get lumps. I just say my just dey mix and whisk, put warm water. Now warm water, now we go form small. If I want make egusi pudding, na so I go chop am. Next time na egusi pudding. Guys, just be waiting. Soon egusi pudding will drop. My people, Quinta dey for traditional meal though. Then for African food though. My people. Yes, look am. delicious, so yummy. Well, swallow am fufu. My people, then I put bitter leaf. Now go see the video then. Go dey drop one after another, one after another, one after another.